Waalaikumsalam.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Azzan. I am 11 years old. My father's name is Muhammad Swaimi. He is a bank officer. My mother's name is Nomadiana. She is a housewife. She is over there. Say hi to them.
Hi.
My favorite color is green. I love to eat Maggi and drink mineral water. My favorite subject is English. My best friend's name is Lukman. I like to watch YouTube. My hobby is playing video games. I am happiest when I get to travel. When I grow up, I want to become a bank officer. I love my parents because they will buy me things that I want and they take care of me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Azzan. Today I will be telling you the story, The Lion and the Mouse. A lion was asleep in the sun one day. A little mouse came out to play. The little mouse ran up to the lion's neck and slid down his back. The lion called with a great big smack. I'm going to eat you. The lion roared his mouth open wide. No, no, please don't, the little mouse cried. Be kind to me, and one day I will help you. I'm a lion, you're a mouse, what can you do? The lion laughed very hard, and the mouse ran away. But the mouse was out walking. The very next day, he heard a big roar and squeaked when he saw the king of the jungle tied to a tree. But the mouse had a plan to set him free. The mouse worked quickly and chewed through the rope. The lion said, "Oh, little mouse, I had no hope. You were right, little mouse. Thank you, I'm free. You're the best friend I ever could be." Yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.